Turkey's defense industry continues to demonstrate rapid advancement through the success of the Bayraktar AKINCI combat drone in a series of combat capability tests utilizing the latest generation of precision munitions. These tests prove that the AKINCI functions not merely as a surveillance drone, but has evolved into a strategic strike platform. In recent years, Baykar, alongside ASELSAN and ROKETSAN, has continuously enhanced the AKINCI's capabilities by integrating various types of smart weaponry. This initiative aims to provide the Turkish Armed Forces with greater flexibility across diverse operational scenarios, ranging from the destruction of high-value targets and close air support to long-range operations. The Bayraktar AKINCI is a HALE, high-altitude, long-endurance, class combat UAV developed by Baykar as a new generation of Turkish unmanned aircraft. Compared to the Bayraktar TB2, the AKINCI features larger dimensions, a significantly higher payload capacity, and the ability to carry a wide array of domestically produced missiles and smart bombs. The aircraft boasts a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 6 tons and a payload capacity exceeding 1,500 kilograms. Powered by 2 high-performance turboprop engines, the AKINCI can fly at high altitudes for extended periods while carrying diverse reconnaissance sensors and modern weapon systems. Another key advantage of the AKINCI is its suite of advanced systems, including the MURID AESA radar, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), SIGINT and SATCOM systems, and high-resolution electro-optical sensors, as well as the capability to detect and track moving targets. This combination enables the drone to execute intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions, as well as precision strikes, all from a single platform. Capable of carrying various smart munitions. In addition to the TOLUN-P, the AKINCI has successfully integrated various Turkish-made smart munitions, such as the MAM-L, MAM-T, LGK-82, KGK-82, and HGK, as well as air-to-surface missiles and even certain cruise missiles. This versatility makes the AKINCI one of the combat drones with the most comprehensive array of weapon options in its class,